darling. What are you doing down there, looking all mopey on the floor? I disappeared for 2 months. Oh, hardly, darling. I told you I was going on a trip. I did. I was away for a retreat thing. I did leave you a note also. What? I didn't. Didn't I? Oh well, I'm home now anyway. There. Come here. I missed you awfully, my love. Oh, you don't have to say it. I already know how much you missed me. Well, I asked a couple of friends to come over and watch the apartment while I was gone, and I really doubt Lilico punched a hole in the wall, so... Who was it? A ghost? That's a bad habit we need to get you out of, darling. I was going to hang my framed picture of myself there. Yes. I thought it might look quite good as well. Oh, goodness. I forgot about her. Yes, Angelina. Through here. Come in. Oh, I think that's everything. Very good. Why don't you make yourself a cup of tea while I see to my darling? Yay, sounds good. It's so good to be home, my love. Do you have any rose tea? No, we have green. Anyway, sorry, darling. Do you have any Earl Grey? No, we don't have any bloody Earl Grey, Angelina. We have green. Where? I don't know. Look in the cupboard, Angelina. I've been gone for 2 months. Sorry, darling. I didn't know I would be bringing a visitor. Who is she? Oh, don't worry about that. I'll explain later. What is it? Darling. Look at me. My poor baby boy. You're looking awfully tired. You've got a headache. That's no good. Why don't I find you some painkillers and water, baby? We can't be having that now, can we? Angelina? You sit with my darling for a minute while I find some medicine. Okay. I'll be right back. Hi. You have very pretty eyes. You tired? You sleepy? You know what I always like before bed? pink hot chocolate. Mm-hmm. Do you think Duchess has the stuff to make that? You don't know? Oh, sorry. I guess your head hurts too much to think right now. What if I hum you a little lullaby? Would that help? Okay. just want to be the one you love. Angelina, what are you doing terrorizing him with your singing? Move. Shoo. Go on. Oh. Do you have the stuff to make pink hot chocolate? I don't know, Angelina. What did I say? Go and look in the kitchen. Here you are, my love. Drink this and take some paracetamol. There. I'm here now. Good boy. Explain. Well, I was away at Shaolin Kung Fu camp. Yes. I could have sworn I told you. Well, Angelina kicked someone in the head right in front of me, and I thought, I bet she could carry my suitcases home. And well, here we are. I'll make her a hot chocolate and send her home. She lives nearby. And then I can put you to bed, and we can both get some rest. Why don't I put you in bed while I say goodbye to her? I don't want you getting poorly now. Come, my love. There. Is that better? Oh, look at this on the bedside table. What did I tell you? Gone to Kung Fu camp? Be back in 2 months. See? You thought I was joking? Darling, why would I ever joke about that? You silly boy. Just because it was written on a pink post-it note doesn't mean it was any less serious. Come on now, darling. You know me, don't you? Are you going to sleep? Yes, here Come and say goodnight.
Good night. Sweet dreams. Sleep tight. I'm going to go make pink hot chocolate at home now. Bye, Duchess.
Bye, love. All alone. Close your eyes, my love. You can tell me all about what you've been up to in the morning. I missed you so very much. Let me cuddle up to you. You're safe with me.